Do you believe that the Bible is true and relevant for today? What if we can bring the Bible back into popular culture? Do you believe that we can see a new renaissance in this generation, telling timeless stories of the Bible in a way you've never experienced before? Gritty, raw, with real and imperfect characters, stories of heroes and the battles they fought that will transcend Christian culture and drive you back to the scriptures for more. That's what Cliff Graham, Army veteran and author, has accomplished with his Lion of War book series. An intense, gripping, and powerful portrayal of the battles of the warrior poet King David. In ancient Israel, during his nation's darkest hour, the fugitive warlord David was joined by a ragtag band of outcasts that he turns into an elite fighting force. They come to be known as the Mighty Men, soldiers bound together by desperation and the hope that their kingdom would one day be restored.
It was born out of a youth group trip that I took once when I saw that the boys were not plugging into what we were trying to teach. And so I went through 2 Samuel 23 and told them the stories of the mighty men, and their eyes lit up.
It excites me to see that there is this great desire to hold to the truth.
I think Day of War is about righteous victory. It works with CrossFit because, it's always a battle. Every workout's a battle.
I think author Cliff Graham wrote an incredible book. I think he told a gritty, raw, real journey of David and his mighty men.
Today, guys are looking for role models that are real men, that are willing to fight for a cause.
The part of David that I really connect to is the vagabond warrior, understanding the situations that he was in, the ultimate drama.
Visit the Lion of War booth to buy the books. Meet author Cliff Graham. Get the Day of War comic, the t-shirt, other Lion of War gear, and learn more about the Day of War movie. Join the fight. LionofWar.com